How to hard reset Galaxy A17 5G. Step 1. First, you must completely power off your device. To do this, press and hold the volume down key in combination with the power button. Keep holding both keys until the screen turns black and the phone shuts down. Step 2. In this next phase, press and hold the volume up key and the power buttons at the same time. While you are still holding them, you must plug your phone into a PC using a USB cable. This step is required to trigger the recovery environment. Step 3. When the recovery mode menu successfully appears on your display, you can let go of all the buttons. You are now in the correct menu to proceed with the reset.
Further guide is available in the description below. Since the remaining steps are technical and complex, we have detailed them in an external blog post. Make sure the device has at least 50% battery or remains connected to power during the hard reset. After the hard reset finishes, disconnect any cables and let the phone sit for 30 to 60 seconds before use. Open the link in the description to continue and finish the hard reset process.